So what's going on today?
Well, everything is finished on here now except for the rods for the fins.
Okay.
And I'm going to put them on today. The boys are on the way out. And I think I showed you this one here needs bearings.
Yeah, I can hear it. Yeah.
Other than that, it's all done. And this one is all done now except for
The tires.
no, these are on. All this is good. I'm waiting for lights now. 2 reds and 2 ambers, see?
Okay.
And I need 2 of these LED lights and 4 holders. And then this one is done.
Okay, so you were going to replace the bearings on these ones, weren't you? Or
On these here. This is all ready to go. We're all set except for
those 2 sides there.
if you look in here, you see how that race is turning in the hub?
Yeah.
Well, I need a hub and the bearings, races, and seal. And this one here, you see the pit marks there?
Yeah.
Well, that race has to be replaced.
Okay. So is this an easy job to do if you have the parts, or?
Yeah, it's very
Okay.
easy. But the boys were on 2 weeks off, so they're back now.
Okay.
So I should be able to finish this today, if not tomorrow.
So I see you got all the reflective tape on the trailers.
Yeah.
That's basically, so there's just a few pieces here and there. So you got one fan back on there, but
No, this comes right off. There's a long rod that goes through here, through this.
and it's a specific rod for the airboats, or can you make it?
Steel, and
Okay.
the rods that they sent were too short, so XL made some new ones. And then I'll put these new fins on, and the boys are in business.
So, are you thinking this should move out and then they bring it back for other work, or?
This one is gonna go out, it'll be completely finished. Then they got another one to come in, but I wanna bring their truck in and hook up the electrical just to make sure that all the lights work and the brakes work.
So does this box work for sure? Or
Yeah.
you don't know?
Yeah, it'll work,
Okay.
but I need to plug in, right?
So the wiring, are you confident on the wiring on this
I
one?
rewired already.
Okay.
I rewired the brakes and the lights. Put the tire on for me.
Okay, so you're just waiting for the customer to show up and move some stuff here.
Get a parchment done.
Okay, so that's what Dad's working on here.
It for today. I'm just putting the running light on here.